Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bedside lamps that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Hatch Restore 3 Sunrise Alarm Clock. The Hatch Restore 2 bedside lamp was designed with the knowledge that your best self starts with a good night's sleep. Marketed as a smart sleep assistant, this incredible lamp has several warm lighting options and a sound machine to help you wind down and fall asleep. It's got an option for a wake-up light, and our tester found that it was far easier to use and more effective than the alarm clock app on her phone. While many features are controlled by the lamp's companion app, you can simply tap the top of the device to begin your personalized routine. If you're looking for a multifunctional smart lamp that'll help you get incredible sleep, the Hatch Restore 2 will do the trick, though it's a bit of an investment. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Yarra Decor Bedside Lamp. Yarra Decor's bedside lamp is an easy way to make any bedroom feel like the best room in the house. While there are multiple color options, the most popular style is the wood base with the natural linen lampshade. The design is rustic yet simple, a perfect way to satisfy your inner interior designer. By simply touching the Yarra's base, you can turn the lamp on or off without much precision or having to shift out of your preferred sleep position. The lamp also has 2 USB ports for charging your phone or other devices, 3 dimmer options, and it uses an energy-saving LED bulb. This bedside table lamp is perfect for reading in bed. At number 3, we have the Spantik 7-inch Himalayan salt lamp. This may not look like your typical bedside light, but it's certainly pleasing to the eye. The warm glow from within the crystal makes any bedroom a more soothing and tranquil environment. While salt lamps have grown in popularity over the years, this Himalayan salt lamp from Spantik sets itself apart with a rough handmade quality. Each unique piece is hand-carved, imported from Pakistan, and lit with an incandescent bulb inside the amber salt crystal. Just don't expect all the claims about ionic balance to hold water. These are purely decorative lamps. At number 2, we have the Ezvalo Music Bedside Lamp. The Ezvalo Music Bedside Lamp looks like something from the distant future. This LED table lamp can play your favorite music via Bluetooth speaker functionality, and it makes a handy spot to store and wirelessly charge your phone. The arch-shaped LED nightlight can be dimmed to your liking, helping you wind down and get the restful sleep you deserve. It's a smaller design than most desk lamps, but reviewers agree the lamp holds its own, and its compact size makes it ideal for travel. And finally, at number 1, we have the AT Lums Touch Control Table Lamp. The AT Lums Touch Control Table Lamp offers a vintage industrial style that, while minimalist and unique, will look great in most living rooms and bedrooms. With a long-lasting, exposed Edison bulb, you'll always know when it's on. But it's got 3 dimmer settings as well, so you can save on electricity and set the mood as needed. It also has a simple touch control base and 2 USB charging ports. If you're looking for a touch lamp that's hip yet simple, look no further. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.